Hi everyone, let's see an example. Create a red black tree for the given elements and from the resultant tree delete the elements 54, 56, 12, 39, 32, 45, 34, 78, 67 and 10. You already know the basic properties of red black tree. The root node should be always black node, black color. Insert node should be always in red color. There should not be no two consecutive red colors, and count of black nodes should be same in all paths, and external node should always be null with black color. While creating a red black tree, at some points it may violate these properties. When the tree is violating any one of these properties, you need to follow a set of insertion cases. Like case 1, if root node is red, we need to change it to black color to make it as a valid red black tree. In case 2, if uncle is red, change the colors of parent, uncle, grandparent. Meaning that if one node color is black, we need to change it to red. If one node color is red, we need to change it to black. Like that we need to change. Case 3 is if uncle is black and its structure is either LL notation or RR notation, we will rotate on grandparent and we are going to change the colors of parent and grandparent. In case 4, if uncle is black and its structure is LR or RL, we are going to rotate on parent and we are going to apply the case 3. When while constructing a red black tree, at some point if your tree violates the basic properties of red black tree, we are going to follow all these 4 cases. Now let's take example. First, I am taking the node 45. Whatever the node that I am inserting, that should be always inserted with red color. So I am trying to insert it with red color. 45 red color, and whose children are always null. Null I am representing as n. Yes. Can I call this as a red black tree? No. Why? Because root node should be always in black color, but my root node is in red color. Then what we need to do? We need to make it as a valid red black tree. So check for any one of the cases matched or not. Yes. Here the first case is matched. Root node is red, change to directly black. So I am going to simply change it to black color. Now it is a valid red black tree. Take 39. Now my 39 will be inserted to the left of 45, and it should be inserted like with red color. 39 and left child is null with black node, right child is null with black node. Now it is not violating any property. Root node is black color, inserted node red color, no two consecutive red colors, and count of black node should be same in all paths. Check. Count of this path is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it is same, and external node should be null with black color. It is also same. Okay. So there is no problem. Next, I am going to insert 56. My 56 will be inserted to the right side of 45 as 56 is greater than 45. 56. it is having two children, null. Now it is not validating any property. Next I am going to insert the element 12. The element 12 is inserted to the left side of 45 and left side of 39. And I will insert in the form of red color. Null. Now it is not an ABL tree, sorry, red black tree, because it is having two consecutive red colors, 39 and 12. So it is violating the case 3. Case 3. So we need to apply necessary case to make it as a valid red black tree. Now with respect to this node, its corresponding uncle is red. Its corresponding uncle is red. When corresponding uncle is red, we need to change the colors of parent, grandparent, and its corresponding uncle. So, as my parent color is red, I am going to make it as black. As my uncle color is red, I am going to make it as black. As my grandparent color is black, I am going to make color as red. Okay. So with this, case 2 is completed. Case 2 is completed. But check, it is not a red black tree. Why? Because root node is red color, but saying that root node should be black color. So what I need to do? We can apply any one of the case. What is that case? If root node is red, I need to make directly as the black color. So now check, the tree is a valid red black tree. Check all the cases. Root node is black color. There is no two consecutive red colors, and count of black node should be same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is also true. External node should be null with black color. You know, we are already writing with black color. Okay. Next, take 34. Now, 34 is inserted to the left side of 45, left side of 39, and right side of 12. So it will be inserted here. (34) to the right side. Now it is invalid red black tree, so we need to make necessary rotations. With respect to this node, we need to check its corresponding uncle. Its corresponding uncle color is black. Its corresponding uncle color is black. So we'll have two possibilities. One is case 3, another one is case 4. But we need to take depending upon structure. Its structure look like left side and to the right side. So its structure is like LR. So we are going to rotate on parent. When we are going to rotate on parent like this, my 34 will comes to here. And 12 will comes to here. And after rotate on parent, we need to apply case 3. Case 3 is again, its uncle is black. Now it's check with respect to this node. Its uncle is black and its structure is like LL, we need to rotate on grandparent. When we rotate on grandparent, with respect to this node, grandparent is 39. So we need to rotate on grandparent. When we rotate on grandparent, you will get a structure like this: 34, 12, 39. After rotating on the grandparent, we need to change the colors of parent and grandparent. What is parent? 34. So I need to convert this color as red as black. Grandparent color is black, so I need to make it as red. So I will simply replace here. Thirty-four is black color and 12, 39 are red nodes. Now check. It is a valid red black tree. See, after performing a successful insertion, every time you need to check whether it is a valid red black tree or not. After performing the cases also, you need to check whether it is a valid red black tree or not. After performing validation, it is a valid red black tree. Okay. Now next, go for inserting 78. My 78 will be inserted to the right side of 45, right side of 56. Will be inserted here. After performing this insertion, you need to check. After checking, it is a valid red black tree. Next, insert 32. 32. My 32 will be inserted to the left side of 45, left side of 34, and right side of 12. So here I will get 32. After performing validation, this is an invalid red black tree. Why? Because it is violating the property 3. So we need to go for corresponding cases. The corresponding cases we are going to check with respect to the inserted node. With respect to this node, its corresponding uncle is red color. When its corresponding uncle is red color, we need to change the colors of parent, uncle, and grandparent. So parent is this one, uncle is parent, grandparent. So we need to interchange the colors. So if I make red color as a black color, my 12 will come like this. 39 will be in black color. And 34 will be in red color. Now check for whether it is valid red black tree or not. Yes, root node is black color. There are no two consecutive red colors and count of black nodes should be same. This must to be satisfied. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is satisfying all the properties. So I can call it as a red black tree. So we will go for inserting next node 10. So my 10 will be inserted to the left side of 45, left side of 34, left side of 12. So while inserting, it should be a red color, right? So 10 will be inserted. After performing insertion of 10, it is a valid red black tree. Go for inserting 89. 89 will be inserted to the right side of 45, 56, right side of 78. Now, it is an invalid red black tree because there are two consecutive red colors. When two consecutive red colors are, if it violates the red black tree property after inserting, with respect to that node, you need to check its corresponding uncle. Its corresponding uncle is a black color. So, if its corresponding uncle is black color, we are having two choices. One structure is LLRRR, one structure is LRRL. Its structure is like RR structure. So it is comes to case 3. When case 3, we need to write it on grandparent. When we write it on grandparent, you will get 56 like this, 78 like this, and 89 will comes like this. Now change the colors of parent and grandparent. Parent is 56. 56 color I need to change it to red. Sorry, grandparent. Parent color I need to change it to black. So I will replace the center structure here. $78 black color, 56, 89. After performing checking, it is a valid red black tree. Next, go for inserting 54. 54 will be inserted to the right side of 45, left side of 78, left side of 56. 54 will come to here. After performing insertion, there are two consecutive colors, so it is an invalid. When invalid, we need to apply these cases. This case will look like case 2. With respect to this node, its corresponding uncle is a red color, so it is case 2. We need to change the colors of parent, grandparent, and its corresponding uncle. If we change the color of grandparent, it will look like a red color. It is should be black color, 56. Its color is black color. Now it is valid red black. Let's go for inserting 67. 67 will be inserted to the right side of 45, left side of 78, right side of 56. Now it is a valid red black tree. Okay. Next I am going to insert 81. 81 will be inserted to the right side of 45, right side of 78, but left side of 89. So 81 will comes to here. Now it is also a valid red black tree because root node is black color and inserted node is red color. There are no two consecutive red colors. Check. There are no two consecutive red colors. Count of black nodes should be same in all paths. Count of black nodes 1, 2, 3. So this line the count is 3. This line 1, 2, 3. This path is also 3. This path 3. This path 3. Check this path 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This path is 3. This path is also 3. This path 3. This path 3. This path is also 3. This path is also 3. And this path is also 3. So count of black nodes in all paths is same. So defaultly it will satisfy. So my elements are completed and this tree is completely following these properties. So I can call it as a red black tree. Let's go for deleting the given nodes from the constructed tree. You know all these deletion cases I have already explained in the previous video. When it is deleted node having 0 children, if it is a red I can directly delete. If it is a black I can go for double black node. If it is having 1 children and the deleted node is having red color, with red is not possible. Black node, deleted node is black node, red child I can go for appending and changing. If deleted node is a black node and its children are also black node, I will go for double black node process. If it is having 2 children and the deleted node is red, the possibilities are RR, RB, BR, BB. Deleted node is black, all these combinations are possible. Whenever you occurred a double black node, you need to follow case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5 and case 6. What are these cases? If parent is a double black node, we need to make it as a single black node directly. If double black node sibling is red color and parent and children of both siblings are black color, we are going to rotate through parent. We are going to rotate through parent and we are going to change the colors of parent and sibling, so that we will get such like this. This case 3 is when double black node sibling is black color and its parent and both children of sibling are also black color, we need to make a move of double black node to parent and we need to make sibling color as red. That is case 3. In case 4, when double black node parent is red and sibling and both children of sibling are black, we need to remove the double black node. We need to make parent color as black and sibling color as red. That's it. See here in all these 6 cases, case 1, case 4 and case 6 are final cases. Case 5, when double black node sibling is black color, parent is black color, right child of sibling is black color and left child of sibling should be in red color, then we are going to rotate through sibling. Rotate to sibling and we are going to change the colors of sibling and left child. Sibling and left child. So X color as black and sibling color as red. And in case 6, when double black node sibling is black color, cross means any color and its parent is any color, left child is any color, right child of sibling is red color, then we will perform. We are going to rotate through parent. Rotate through parent and sibling to P color, sibling to parent color. Whatever the color as P having, that color I need to apply to sibling and make P color as black. P color as black and sibling right child as black. Sibling right child as Y means Y should be color converted to black. Its same resemblance structure will look like this. See, for all these cases there is a resemblance. So similarly for case 6 also there is some resemblance. So with the help of all these notations, we can successfully delete the nodes from the constructed tree, so that we will make it as a valid red black tree. Now let's check. It is somewhat difficult. Try to understand. This example will cover all the cases. Okay. Now they are asking for delete 54. When they are asking for delete 54, now check for 54. How many children are there is for 54? This 54 is having 0 children. 0 children. When 54 is having 0 children, I need to check for whether it is a red color or black color. It is a red color. When it is a red color, what we can do? We can go for deleting the directly. There is no problem. So I deleted it directly. So this case is completed. Next 56. 56 will be present here. My deleted node is 56 and it is having 1 child. It is having 1 child and deleted node is black color. Deleted node is black color. Meaning that my deleted node is black color and it is having 1 child. That child is also red color. Then what we need to do? We need to delete that node and we need to append it to the corresponding node and we need to change the colors. So what I am going to do is, I am going to delete it and I am going to append here, and I am going to change the color. 67. That's it. So this case is also completed. Next, I want to delete 12. I want to delete 12. This is a deleted node. This node is having 2 children. So then we'll go for this case. And my deleted node is what color? Deleted node color is black color. And both, so when we are going to delete a node which is having 2 children, we need to take its in-order predecessor or in-order successor. If you take in-order predecessor, it is a red color. In-order successor, it is also a red color. See here. If in-order predecessor or in-order successor is red color, then I can take any one of the red color and then I will change it to black color. If one is red, another is black, I will take the red and I will make it as a black. If one is black, another is red, I will take the red and I will make it as a black. If both are black, then I will go for double notation. So here both colors are red. Both colors are red. Then I can go for taking any kind of node. Then what I will do is, I will take the right child. Let us take this one. There is no problem, right? So, I will delete this 12 and I will take this right child 32 and I will make it as a black. That is what they are saying. So, there is no problem. If you want, you can check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In all cases, it is satisfied. So, 12 is also deleted. So, the case is deleted black with RR. It is also completed. Now, take 39. Deletion of 39. Now, check. They are asking for delete 39. This 39 is having how many children? 0 children. 0 children. And deleted node is a black color. So 0 children and deleted node is a black color. It is getting this case. It is getting this case. Meaning that I am going to delete this node. I am going to delete this node. So I will get the case as double black node case. Why I am getting double black node? Whenever it is having a double black node, then only its all path count length is same. So I will make it as a double black node. It's a double black. Now check the case. Whenever you got a double black node, we need to check for any one of these 6 cases. Any one of these 6 cases. Now check which case it resembles. Just check double black node and its corresponding sibling is black. Double black node corresponding sibling is black. Right? So double black node corresponding sibling is red color. Double black node corresponding sibling is black. Parent is black. Double black node corresponding sibling is black. Parent is red. So this is also not correct. Check this one. Double black node sibling is black. Parent is red. Double black node sibling black. Parent is red. Parent is red. Check for sibling children. Both are black. But take out the sibling children. One is red, another one is black. So case 4 is also not valid. Take out this case. One is red. See here changes. Like if you check this one, it will resembles to this case. How I am getting this case? I just take resemblance of this one. Resemblance of this one. So it is similar to this case. Double black node, sibling is black, parent is any color, sibling left child is red and right child is black color, or we can say it is any color. It is also any color, there is no problem. So here I am going to apply case 6. So what case 6 is saying? We need to rotate through parent. We need to rotate through parent. When I am going to rotate through parent, my 34 will comes to here. 32 is black node. 10 is red color. Okay. After performing rotate through parent, we need to make sibling to P color. Sibling to P color. What is sibling? Sibling is 32. 32 color I need to make it as parent color. 32 color I need to make it as parent color. So 32 I need to apply as parent color means for 32 I need to make it as a red color. So for 32 I will get a parent color. See here, cross means whether this color may be black or this color may be red. But depending upon that color I need to make. So here my P color is red color, so I will make it as red here. Sibling color to P color. Then P color as black. I need to make P color as black. What is P color? Red. Red color I need to make it as a 34. Yes. Then sibling right child as black. Sibling right child. What is sibling right child? See, this is sibling right child is for this case. If you take out this one, its resemblance is sibling left child. Sibling left child as black. So I will make this also a black color. Left child as black, and we are going to remove the double black now. Yes. So I have completed all the properties of case 6. So I will just make apply here. So 32 10 34 null null null. Now check for valid or not. Yes. See here, whenever you got the cases case 1, case 4 or case 6, you need to apply once again one more operation. Why? Because these are all removed directly double black notes. Okay. Now they are asking for check for whether it is valid or not. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is a valid red black. Now check for deleting 32. Deleting 32. So when you are deleting 32, it is having 2 children. So it will comes to here. And deleted node is what color? Deleted node is red color. Deleted node is red color. And check for its in-order predecessor or in-order successor. In-order predecessor and in-order successor. If you take in-order predecessor, it is black color. In-order successor, it is also black color. So in-order predecessor is black color. In-order successor is black color. So we'll go for double black node process. Check once. So here I need to take compulsory any one of them. So I will take here in order predecessor. If I take in order predecessor here, one minute. So here it will get a red color, and because of this deletion here I will get a double black node. You know why? If I delete this one, its left pass count is decreased, right? 1, 2, 3. But if you take 1, 2 and 3, so it is equal. So that is the reason I have taken it as double black node. Now just check whether this structure is resembled to any structure or not. Just check. Double black node sibling is black, parent is red, and sibling both children are black. Check the case of case 4. Case 4 is same, right? Double black node sibling is black, parent is red, both children are black. So it is resembled. So what we need to do? We need to just remove the double black node. We need to exchange the colors of parent and its sibling. So if you write like this, you will get what? Double black node removed. I am going to make parent color as black, exchanging the parent color and sibling color. Parent color as black and sibling color as red, and both X and Y are same. So I will just replace this here. So I have applied case 4. Now check. It is a valid red black tree. Valid red black tree. Now they are asking for to delete the element 45. The element 45. When they are asking for to delete element 45, the element 45, the node 45 having two children, and its color is a black color. Its color is a black color. Check once which case is applicable. So we need to take the in-order predecessor or in-order successor when it is having two children. So what is the best solution? The red node I am going to take, I am going to place at x1 position. I am going to take the red color and I am going to change the colors. So in-order predecessor is red color, in-order successor is black color. So which is the simple one? In-order predecessor. I think it is red color. So I will just simply remove this 34. See here, I am going to take the red color. This case is red color, black color. Red color I will take and I will go to change the color of to black color. So first I will delete this node. I will make a copy of that red color, and I will change its color to black. This is the case. Now delete. Check. This is a valid red black tree. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So it is also valid red black tree. Yes, fine. Very good. Let's take out the 34. So up to now we have completed. I think case 4 is completed. Case 6 is also completed. Okay. Now take 34. Deletion of 34. When we are going to delete 34, it is having two children and the deleted node is again black color. It's again a black color. Now check. If you are taking in-order predecessor, it's a black color. If you are taking in-order successor, it's also black color. So surely we will get here the case as double black node. Double black node. Now check which case it resembles. Like take 10. If you take 10 here, in-order predecessor, it will look like this. Here we will get a double black node. Now check what is its resemblance. Which structure it is suitable? Just check this one, case 2. Check the case 2. My case 2 is double black node sibling is red color. Double black node sibling is red color. Parent is black. Both children are black color. Then we need to make rotate on parent. We are going to rotate on parent. Rotate on parent and change colors of parent and sibling. Change the colors of parent and sibling. So if you make rotate, what will happen? 78 will comes to here. 10 will comes to here. And single child, here we will get 89. So my 67 will comes to the right side here. See, as it is I am writing. Just I am rotating first. 67 null. So its left side is 81 null. So just I have performed only rotation on the parent. Then I am going to change the colors of parent and sibling. What is parent? Parent is 10. 10 color I need to make it as a red. Sibling color is red, so I need to make it as a black. Just check. See here, case 2 contains, it won't eliminate double black note. As I am always saying, case 1, case 4, case 6 only eliminate double black notes, and all the remaining won't eliminate double black notes. So if it is here, it will let the structure like this. Okay, fine. So after performing case 2, you will get the structure like this. Now it doesn't remove, the case 2 doesn't remove the double black note. So again you need to check for, is there any case which is having same structure? Yes. Double black note sibling is black, parent is red, both children are black. So it is resemble to case 4 once again. When it is resemble to case 4, what we need to do? We need to remove the double black note, parent and sibling colors exchange. So I will rewrite once again. 78, 89, null, 81, null, null. See, up to this part, I need to apply case 4. When I apply case 4, I need to make change of parent color and sibling color. So parent color, sibling color, if I change, parent color will get black and sibling color will get red. See, I am applying the case 4. Then I will get here a normal black note, case 4. It is a case 4, right? Yes. So after applying case 4, I will get structure like this. Yes. Now it is a valid red black tree. Valid red black. Now go for, so we have completed case 2 also, case 4 also. Now let's delete 78. Deletion of 78 is having two children, and its both in-order predecessor is a red color. This in-order predecessor is red color and in-order successor is also red color. Deletion, black with red and red. Black with red and red. Just check which what we can do. Just simply take in-order predecessor or in-order successor. I will take the in-order predecessor. In-order predecessor, if you take, I will take 67 and I will make it as a black here. There is no problem. So here, now it is a valid red black tree. Take 67. 67, delete 67. If I am deleting 67, it is having two children with a black note. Its possibilities are in-order predecessor is black and in-order successor is red. See here. So black and red, you will get this case. You will get this case. This case, okay. So the simple solution is I can go for taking this red note, and I will make here and I will convert it to black color. That is one possibility. So I will write here. I will show an example. I will write. So here you will get 81 as black color, 10, 89, null, 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 null. So by deleting the node 78 with the property left side black, right side red, I have taken in-order successor, so red color, make it as a black color. I got structure like this. For example, by intentionally I have taken 10 this black property. If I make this, what will happen? It will let the structure like this. 10. Here you will get a double black node. A double black node. Here 89 as it is. Here 81. Null, null, null. Okay. So we got double black node. Because of this double black node, I cannot move further. So we need to apply some kind of case. Just check. This case is resemble to case 5. Yes. Resembles to case 5. When it is resembles to case 5, what case 5 is saying? When double black node sibling is black, parent is black, right child of sibling is black, and left child of sibling is red color, I need to make rotate through its corresponding sibling. So we are going to make rotate it through its sibling. After making rotate through its sibling, you will get a structure like this. And we need to exchange the colors of both sibling and sibling left child. So here you will get 81 red color, so I got a black color extending. I am extending. So here you will get 89. It is previously a black color, so I got here red color. So after performing case 5 also, I didn't deleted my double black node. So you need to make again once again any case possible or not. Just check, is there any resemblance for this one? Yes, it is resemble to the case 6. Resemble to the case 6. Its double black node sibling is black, parent is black, left child of sibling is black, right child is red. So it is resemble. So this can be any color. This can be any color. So what they are saying, we need to rotate through parent. We need to rotate through parent. When we rotate through parent, you will get a structure like this. Just see. 10, 81, 89, null, null. Yes. And we need to make sibling to P color. Sibling to P color. Sibling is 81. Parent color, we need to make apply of parent color to sibling. So parent color is 10, black color. So 81 is also black color, there is no problem. Next, P has black. Parent has black. Parent is always black, is already black, so I will make it as a black. Next, sibling right child is black. What is sibling right child? Sibling right child is 89. 89 should be converted to black. So here we will get then I need to remove the double black. Yes, it is completed. Just check here. These two are same. At a point, I have taken this property, so I got this structure. By mistake, I have taken some other process. Finally, also I got the same structure. So you can follow any process. Yes. So here I have taken because to show the case 5. So with this, I have completed case 2, case 4, case 6, and case 5. Yes. Let's delete 67. Let's delete 10. Let's delete 10. When we are going to delete 10, this 10 is having 0 children with a black name. So here we will get a structure like this. Now check, is this structure resemble to anything? Yes, it is resemble to case 3. Double black node sibling is black, parent is black, both children are black. So we need to make what? We need to move double black node to parent and sibling color change it to red color. So I will move this double black node to parent. Double black node to parent, and I will change its sibling color to red. Yes. So this process doesn't stop my deletion process. So as I am having a double black node, I need to apply once again a case. The case is if the root node, this is not parent, this is root node. If root node is double black node, then I need to make it as a single black node. Single black node. So I have applied case 1 also. So I have applied all the cases. So I have completed all my elements also. So this is deletion process.